Hi everybody, welcome back to English with Lokhinder Das once and again. What a pleasant and mesmerizing afternoon, guys. It's absolutely calm and composed. It's totally sunny and I'm feeling ecstatic. I'm feeling overjoyed to spend a little while over here. Every day I try to stroll here and there. I'm standing right now. I'm standing at the heart of our district, Paschim Medinapur, and I'm trying to showcase you the beauty of this place. This place is called Aurobindo Stadium. It is in the middle of our district, Paschim Medinapur. It is one of the best stadium of our state, West Bengal. So just have a look at the little tats. They are getting ready to play football over here. Just have a look at the little boys. You can see the boys are getting ready to start their journey, and look at this ground. It's absolutely green and I feel extremely happy whenever I come here and whenever I am able to show you the beauty of this place. Just have a look at the beauty. It's absolutely fine and fantastic, and the boys are getting ready to play. They are getting ready to start their journey. Just have a look at the little boys. And I'm a lover of sports. Every day I try to showcase you the beauty of sports. Sports is really essential. It's really so necessary, and nowadays we need to understand, the guardians need to understand the necessity of sports. Our kids are very much involved in watching mobile phones. So if we want to see our kids playing something, football, cricket, we need to send our kids to sports academy so that they can get vigor and vitality, so that they can get healthy body. So in order to have a healthy body mind complex, we need to take our kids to stadium. So I'm feeling over the moon today to showcase the beauty of this place. Just have a look at the little tats. They are just behind me and getting ready, and they are going to come here and they are going to start their journey. So they are so little and they are really full of vigor and vitality. They are looking exuberant. They are so ecstatic. They are so jolly, and I'm really feeling so gay today. I'm feeling extremely happy to be a part of this session. Students and young tats are starting their journey, and I'm feeling extremely happy to be a part of them. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep motivating others to learn English and speak English. That's the end of today's video. Just have a look at the line. They are all in line and they are trying to start their journey, and it's a nice place, and this place is full of little boys, and every day I come here and try to shoot a video, and I'm feeling happy. I have been feeling happy to be a part over here, and every day I try to showcase you the sight and sounds of this place, and it's really full of joys, and students are really getting joys while they are playing football, and I'm also feeling extremely happy to spend a little time with them. So I try my best to speak in English and try my best to motivate others to speak in English, and this way one can master the art of speaking English. So whatever you are getting, you just try to speak, try to open your lips, and this is the only tool and this is the only key to speak in English. And if you want to speak in English, try to open your lips and try to showcase, try to exhibit whatever you can. So each and every content all around you can showcase, and you can make a video. This way you can master the art of speaking English. So I try my best to encourage you. This is my hobby and this is my passion. Okay, so I am feeling ecstatic. Every day I try to shoot a new video for all of you. it's for my purpose, nothing else. It's for the practice of speaking English, nothing else. So every day I try to practice English. So you also try to practice. So whatever you can speak. So whatever you are watching all around you, whatever you are observing all around you, just try to speak it in English. Try to think in English. Without thinking in English, you can't speak English. So whatever you are observing, just try to think it in English. This is the only tool, this is the only key to master the art of speaking English. So don't be scared of making mistakes. Failures are the pillar of success. So try to make mistakes. Without making mistakes, you can't speak in English. English is an international language. So if you want to master the art of speaking English, you have to make mistakes. So I'm not shy enough to make mistakes. I'm not shy enough to commit mistakes. So each and every mistakes make me able to speak something new, to be experienced enough. So try to make mistakes and try to learn something from your mistakes. Your mistakes are blessing. Every day I tell you, your mistakes are blessings. These are the blessings that can help you speak better English. So if I make any mistakes, please pardon me, because I try to speak in English. So if I want to continue this journey, I have to make mistakes. So I am not scared of making mistakes, okay? And I am really proud of myself that at least I try to dare to open my lips to speak in English. So once and again, I am trying to showcase the little tats, little boys over here. They are lining up and they are just looking exuberant, extremely happy, super joyed, and they are full of vigor and vitality. They are the little boys, little tats, and each and every guardians come here to witness, to release the scenery over here. And it's all green, it's mesmerizing, it's really so splendid over here, and I'm feeling super delighted. I'm feeling over the moon. So each and every word I have been using just for my betterment of speaking English. So if you wanna speak better English, you need to open your lips every now and then. Try to be accustomed to speaking English. That should be the main crux of speaking English. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Keep watching and keep motivating me, keep supporting me. That's it from my end. Thank you very much once and again for watching this video.